कोनिशिवा मिनासान, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करने जा रहे हैं एक और नए चैप्टर के बारे में, चैप्टर नंबर 36 की वोकैब मीन नानो निहोंगोगी। तो आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे कि चैप्टर नंबर 36 की जो वोकैब है उन्हें किस तरीके से हम यूज़ करेंगे। तो चलिए ज़्यादा टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज की इस वीडियो को, सीधे चलते हैं कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ।
चलिए तो स्टार्ट करते हैं चैप्टर नंबर 36 की वोकैबलरी। सबसे पहला इसके अंदर जो पहली वोकैब है वो है तोदोकीमास। तो दो की मास, तोदोकीमास मीनिंग डिलीवर्ड, लाइक कोई पार्सल डिलीवर्ड करना हो जैसे। तो फॉर एग्जांपल, आश्ता मादे निमोत्सुगा तोदोकीमास, द पार्सल्स विल अराइव बाय टुमारो। ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट वोकैब इज देमास। देमास, देमास meaning participate in any game. For example, Shimutto san wa raigetsu no shiai ni demasu. Mr. Sumit will participate in the game next month. Next vocab is uchimasu. Uchimasu, uchimasu meaning type. For example, type on word processor. Maria-san wa wapuro o utsukoto ga dekimasu ka? Can Maria or Mr. Maria type on word processor? The next vocab is chokinshimasu. Chokinshimasu, chokinshimasu meaning save money. For example, 3年前からお金を貯金しています. I have been saving money for 3 years. The next vocab is futorimasu. Futorimasu, futorimasu meaning get flat. For example, 彼女はますます太っていくようだ meaning she seems to be getting fatter. The next vocab is yasemasu. Yasemasu, yasemasu meaning get slim, lose weight. For example, yasetai nara maiasa 5時に起きてジョギングをした方がいいです. If you want to lose weight, you should get up at 5 o'clock every morning and go for jogging. The next vocab is sugimasu. Sugimasu, sugimasu meaning pass, especially used for time. For example, 7時を過ぎても彼はまだ来ません. It has past 7 o'clock and he still has not come. The next vocab is naremasu. Naremasu, naremasu meaning get accustomed to. For example, 3年から日本に住んでいますので日本習慣になれました. I have been living in Japan for 3 years, so I have gotten used to Japanese customs. तो get accustomed meaning होता है किसी चीज़ की आदत पड़ जाना या किसी परिवेश में ढल जाना. So the next vocab is katai. Katai, katai meaning hard, tough, solid. For example, Ramesh san wa katai isu ni swatta. Mr. Ramesh sat on hard chair. The next vocab is yawarakai. Yawarakai, yawarakai meaning soft, tender. For example, watashi wa yawarakai beddo de nemuru no ga suki desu. I like to sleep on a soft bed. The next vocab is denshi. Denshi, denshi meaning electronic. For example, 電子メールの使い方がわかっていますか? Do you know how to use email? The next vocab is 携帯. 携帯, 携帯 meaning portable. For example, 電子携帯について知っていますか? Do you know about electronic portable? अगर हिंदी में कहें तो एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पोर्टेबल एक तरीके से वाद्य यंत्र होता है, राइट। तो क्या उसके बारे में आप जानते हैं क्या? ठीक है, द नेक्स्ट वोकैब इज कोजो, को उ जो उ, कोजो मीनिंग फैक्ट्री। कोनो कोजो दे 500 人は働いています meaning 500 people work in this factory. The next vocab is kenko, k-n-ko, kenko meaning health. For example, tobacco wa kenko ni warui, smoking is harmful to your health. The next vocab is kendo, k-n-do, kendo meaning kendo meaning is Japanese style fencing. In simple way, it's a Japanese martial art. For example, Ikkai kendo見に行きたいです I would like to go to see kendo martial art. So the next vocab is maishu, ma-i-shu, maishu meaning every week. For example, maishu 100 語彙を覚えてください Please learn 100 words every week. The next vocab is maitsuki, maitsuki meaning every month. For example, maitsuki 100 ぐらい漢字を覚えてください Please memorize about 100 kanji every month. The next vocab is maitoshi, maitoshi meaning every year. For example, 彼は毎年海外へ行きます He goes abroad every year. The next vocab is yatto, yatto meaning finally. For example, やっと免許が取れました I finally got a driver's license. The next vocab is かなり kanari meaning fairly. For example, その外国人はかなり日本語を話します The foreigner speak Japanese fairly. The next vocab is 必ず kanarazu without fail by any mean. For example, 必ず部長にメールをします I will definitely email the manager. The next vocab is 絶対に meaning absolutely used with negative. For example, 週末は絶対に仕事をしません I never work on the weekends. The next vocab is この頃 konogoro meaning these days. For example, この頃お客様たちはここに来ています Visitors are coming here these days. The next vocab is 上手に meaning well skillfully. For example, 彼は作文のことを上手にやっています He is good at writing. The next vocab is できるだけ as much as possible. For example, 彼はできるだけ速く走った He ran as fast as he could. So the next vocab is jutsu meaning some amount. For example, 一人ずつバスに乗ってください Please get on the bus one by one. The next vocab is その方が that is more. この代わりにその方がいいです Instead of this, that is better. The next vocab is お客様 meaning customer, guest. For example, あの店には okyakusama ga oi desu. There are a lot of customers in that store. The next vocab is tokubetsu na. Tokubetsu na. Tokubetsu na, meaning special. Diwali wa tokubetsu na kyujutsu desu. Diwali is a special holiday, or Diwali is a special occasion. The next vocab is shite irashaimasu. Shite irashaimasu. Shite irashaimasu, meaning be doing. Respectful equivalent of shiteimasu. Senpai no hitotachi wa ima shigoto o shite irashaimasu. Seniors are working now. The next vocab is suiei. Suiei. Suiei, meaning swimming. For example, kanojo wa suiei ga dekinai desu. She cannot swimming. The next vocab is toka. Toka, meaning and so on. For example, kono heya ni terebi toka reizoku toka arimasu. So this room has TV and refrigerator and so on. The next vocab is tango. Tango, meaning tango. Kono tango o hitotsu jutsu oboite kudasai. Please learn this tango one by one. Basically, the tango mean is there are a lot of mean of tango. So the tango, one of them is like a word or vocab. So similarly, we can say kono tango o hitotsu jutsu oboite kudasai. Please learn this tango one by one. Okay, so the next vocab is challenge shimasu. Challenge shimasu, meaning challenge. Sumito-san wa Mira-san ni challenge shimashita. Mr. Sumit challenged to Mr. Mira. The next vocab is kimochi. Kimochi, meaning feeling enthusiasm. For example, kimochi ga waruku natta. I'm not feeling well. The next vocab is norimono. Norimono, meaning vehicle, mean of transportation. Kare wa norimono ni notte uchi e kairimashita. He got into the car and went to home. The next vocab is Reikishi, meaning history. For example, Reikishi no hon o yomu no ga suki desu. I like reading history books. The next vocab is toku. Toku, meaning far, remote place. For example, toku ni okina niwa ga mieta. I saw a big garden in the distance. The next vocab is kisha, meaning locomotive. For example, kisha wa mada sukimasen. The train has not arrived yet. The next vocab is kisen, meaning steamboat. Kisen, steamboat. For example, kisen to kisha de wa dochira ga hayai desu ka? Which is faster, a steamer or a train? The next vocab is ozeino. Ozeino, meaning many people. For example, ozei no hito tachi wa soko ni kimashita. A lot of people came there. The next vocab is hakobimasu. Hakobimasu, meaning carry, transport. For example, sono hako wa omoi kara hakobu koto ga dekimasen. The box is heavy, so I can't carry it. The next vocab is tobimasu. masu tobimasu, meaning fly. For example, tori wa sora ni tondeimasu. The birds fly in the sky. The next vocab is anzen. A n ze n. Anzen, meaning safe. For example, anzen na ho ho sukatte kudasai. Please use the safe methods. The next vocab is uchu. U-chu, uchu, meaning space or universe. For example, インドのロケットが宇宙に打ち上げた. Indian rocket launch into space. The next vocab is chikyu. Chikyu, chikyu, meaning earth. For example, chikyu wa marui desu. The earth is round.
तो आज की इस वीडियो में मेरी तरफ से सिर्फ इतना ही था। उम्मीद करता हूँ वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो अगर पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। इसके अलावा अगर आपको चैप्टर नंबर 35 की वोकैब सीखनी है और ग्रामर सीखनी है तो आप ऊपर जाके आई बटन पर प्रेस करके वहाँ से वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं। तो मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ इसी तरीके की इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो के साथ, इसी तरीके की इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, कीप स्माइलिंग, टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।